and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and jump! Oh! Jump! Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. You see my hair look all sort of cray. That's because I'm getting my hair done today, so it's not all sleeked and comb, because I wash it and blow it out, so it's all fresh and stuff right now. Little Nugget is off for a nap, and babe and I are just here about to have some lunch.
Hi guys, happy Sunday. It's a raining day. We planned with things this morning, but if we're showing you what outside looks, it looks terrible.
Like a storm is about to come. Let me show you guys outside. If you can see, look, see? That's it. You can't see over the city, you can't see nothing. That's how hard it is raining. It's pouring down right now. So today will be Netflix and chill, but it's not Netflix, it's a laptop. Right, babe? It's gonna be How to Get Away with Murder.
It's gonna be right now how
How to Get Away with Murder with ackee and saltfish and bread for lunch, for leftovers from yesterday. So yeah, that's what's up today. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Enjoy your weekend or enjoy your day, whatever time of the day it is that you are watching this. Stay blessed, stay encouraged, stay motivated, and stay smiling. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Oh my gosh, you guys, who is this girl though? Who is this girl? You guys, I finally tried the elastic band method braid on my hair, and I think it turned out good for my first try. I did pretty well. I'm so proud of myself. And for that, you guys didn't really have much footage today because Babe was also helping me and taking care of Tyler, and he was just so busy and he can't multitask as much as I would. So I actually had went ahead and did dinner in advance. So dinner tonight is quinoa, which is there, and this roast chicken, which I'm about to slice up and make dinner for Babe right now. So yeah, today was just a pretty laid back day. Rain fell all day, so I just stayed in and get my hair done because I have work tomorrow and stuff like that. So your girl went from Rasta to natural to now what would you call this one? I don't know, but it's something. Anyway, you guys, let me look after my husband dinner real quick.
Tyler?
Say hi, fam. I am going to bed.
I'm going to bed.
In my Santa Claus pajama.
I'm in a pajama.
Say, how are you guys?
How are you guys?
Say, I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm strong.
I'm strong.
Show them muscle. Go. Oh. Do it again. Oh. Go, oh. Oh. You're so funny.
Mama,
Yes. Jump. Okay, let's jump. Jump. Let's see how brave you are. Be brave, okay? Jump. Wow! Brave, brave, brave. Ready again? Ready. Let's jump. Just jump. Mama catch you. Mama catch you. If you fall. Wow! Ready again? Ready? Let's go. Jump. One last time. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and jump. Jump. Say night night, fams.
nothing.
Say we love you.
I love you.
So give this video a thumbs up. Say thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Subscribe.
Don't die.
Comment.
Don't mess.
And catch up and keep up.
But keep up.
Hey.
Hey.
Give Papa kiss.
Mm.
Give Faves kiss. Give Mama kiss.
Bye.
Say I love you, Papa.
I love you too, Tyler.
I love you. There you are. Hi there, husband.
Hi there, wife.
Hi guys, today has been, what should I say? I don't know what kind of day it was really, because all I did all day was did my hair and we chill for the most
And you
part.
watch a lot of
And I watch a lot of How to Get Away with
Like
Murder. I think I watched about 4
episodes.
episodes today. Jeez. Because it just keep me hanging and wanting for more, so I had to watch.
I wish we have 2 TV.
Because he wanted to do sports and play game, and I wanted How to Get Away with Murder. So the wife always wins. Once the wife is happy, then everybody in the house, life will be happy. Happy wife.
No, not happy husband. Happy life.
Happy wife, happy life.
Boom, 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 boom.
Happy wife, happy life. That's how it goes, and that's how it's gonna always be. Okay. Anyway, you guys. I told you guys earlier that I did my hair, so yeah, it was nice for my first try. I think next time I'll be able to do better at it. The Jamaican and the French expression for today. Babe, what's the French expression?
The French expression is for all the people that use to lie.
Who used to lie?
To lie, to say lie. We say in French, you lie like you breathe. Tu mens
You
comme
lie
tu
like you
respires.
breathe.
Right. Tu mens comme tu respires. It's people that used to lie a lot, they lie as much as they breathe. Say it. Tu mens comme tu respires. Tu mens.
Tu mens comme tu respires.
Right. You get it?
You lie like you breathe.
Yeah.
That's a whole lot of lying.
It's a whole lot of lying. There's person that, for example, a kid, they used to lie and you just make them like, okay, if they say some things or you say like your nose is like Pinocchio. That's true.
Okay, so I'm gonna give the Jamaican expression right off the bat of that one. And in Jamaica, when you're very lie, we call you a liard.
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 Okay.
If you tell a lot of untruth, we tell you you're a liard.
You're a liar.
Yeah, you're totally liard.
King of the lie.
Liard.
Liar.
Yeah, so there you have the Jamaican expression and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Hey.
Hey.
I tell her gone to bed, so tell I can't say the expression for you guys. Anyway, you guys, though today's vlog wasn't that a lot, wasn't much, but we still give you what we have. So enjoy this vlog, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching the Fam Bam, and tell me if you guys like my new hair. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Bye guys.
Bye.